Okay, so what we got here now, it's a new project. It's the same principle. The circuit is similar to the cricket one. But now what we've done, we've put on the Wolfenstein 3D, the first old game that came out in the early 90s. I don't know if you ever played it, but it's the sound is quite interesting. Okay, let's hear the sound. Let me you can hear the door, the slide open and close. Okay, just the sound. It's loud enough, but it's not that loud. So usually, if you can use batteries, if you have a connector in the battery to Arduino Nano, the sound will be much louder. Or maybe use a different buzzer. My buzzer is a passive buzzer, but yeah, it's a limited. It's not a speaker, so. Yeah, here's the code. Okay, this is the code, and yeah, it doesn't even need a library. It's pull up for the what do you call it? The button and the buzzer, which is number 4 for the button, and the buzzer number 8. So there we are. Yeah, it's door open, door close, pistol shot, machine gun play, pain, and enemy death. Just go like that when you fall down. Okay, so I'll post the code on the let's listen to it again. Sorry, I got a earphone. So let's okay, we can do more. We can add more, make it more interesting. I put a press button, but you can let it run without a button. It's actually probably pleasant. Okay, so to amplify the sound, otherwise in the buzzer the sound is very quiet. So in order to amplify the sound, I put a transistors. Okay, so you can see the transistor must have a flat face. The flat face of the transistor must face your face. Okay, so that you can identify the emitter, which is on your right, and the collector, it's on your left, and the base is in the middle. So the base I connected to a resistor 220 ohm. So the resistor goes to this wire, which is pin number 8, and it's for the buzzer, which is in pin number 8. But then the signal of the buzzer, there it is, it's got 3 pins, the buzzer, it's got VCC and ground and the signal. So the buzzer goes to the collector. So it's battery collector, base with resistor connected to D8. The button, it's normal, it's a D4 and it's connected directly, and here it's a railing, I did a railing here, ground and VCC, which it takes it from the Arduino. Okay, I didn't need a ground here, so I didn't bother. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Just remember this, the flat face must face you. It's a transistor, it's an ordinary transistor, it's an MP222N something. But I will put this number, let me just check. So, there we are. I'm using, I think it's this one, yeah, this one here, which is 2N quadruple 2, 2N quadruple 2. Okay, you can see 2N quadruple 2. And this is the transistors, so you can choose anyone you want. In my case, that is fine. Sorry, a bit of noise. Okay, so let's maybe play a little bit more. Right. Okay, guys. I'll show you the. I think I've gone through, cover everything. In any case, have a good weekend. Thank you very much. Ciao. Bye.